So we're just testing this little Zetagi B150. I bought this with other radio equipment maybe about a year ago, and the owner of it had a little amplifier made by Zetagi in Italy for about 15 years or so. So it's quite an old wee amplifier. We have advertised it with another item there on the social media marketplace. Somebody was supposedly going to buy it, but if they do or not, I don't know. But I'm just giving it a wee test there. Only putting 5 watts in to the little amplifier. It states about 60 watts AM FM and 150 watts SSB single sideband, but there's no way. You need to overdrive it to try and get that amount of power out it, and you probably blow up. It's Zetagi watts, the kind of over calculate the watts that come out of these amplifiers. So but anyway, so I'm actually on frequency modulation. So yeah, we're on frequency modulation. I don't use FM. I'm a single sideband radio operator. Very rarely I use FM. Anyway, so we've got 5 watts here on the Yaesu FT891 into a little Zetagi B150. So we've got it on at the moment. So we'll turn it off. I'm at the 5 watt scale. It's already been calibrated on the AV1000. You see, about 5 watts. I'm powering the radio from my battery I use when I go portable. The amplifier is into one of my power supplies here. So we're at 5 watts there. 5 watts are there enough almost. So the 20 watt scale, we're at 5 watts, as you can see. So we'll put this little amplifier on. It's on the AM mode, on, with 5 watts in. I won't drive it any more than 5 watts, that's all I'm putting into it. So power set at 20 watts. As you can see, it's peaking well over 20 watts. So we put it at the 200 watt scale with 5 watts in, and we're at 70 watts. So 5 watts in and you will get 70 watts out. This is in a dummy load also. I've got that into my DL Delta Lima stroke 1000 HF dummy load, 52 ohm. So 5 watts in and you'll get 70 watts out. And if we go to the SSB, oops, wait a minute, SSB, so we're on SSB now. I'll switch the mode up here to SSB. 5 watts again, as I say. So 20 watt scale. So put it up to, it's on a 20 watt scale on SSB. So it's peaking well over 20 watts. 200 watt scale. Frequencies matter, I'm into download anyway. So I'm on there, 200 watt scales, 5 watt in, SSB. Should get about 70 watts with 5 watts in on SSB also. So apparently it's supposed to double in power, which is a lot of nonsense. So there we go. So with that, the little Zetagi B150, these have been out for years, the older versions. I think this is maybe about this is over 10 years old, it's got to be this amplifier. Buy FM mode, just for the test, turn it off, as I say, 5 watts, I'm drawing about 2 amps for the power supply there. Right, I'm drawing about 7 amps to run this. We need about 7-8 amps to run this little amplifier. So there we are, 73. Keep enjoying radio.